I didn't get that on video.
No, I'm sure there'll be more.
Whoa. The pool is overflowing, holy cow. If it's still warm enough, we'll need to do some jumping.